Few cars from the 1950s managed to strike a perfect balance between sleek design, performance, and engineering, quite like the 1957 Studebaker Coupes. These cars weren't just built for the road, they were crafted with an eye for aerodynamic excellence and a flair for progressive styling that set them apart in a market dominated by the Big Three. The 1957 lineup included the Silverhawk and Golden Hawk, both part of the Coupe family and regarded as standout examples of American automotive creativity under the hood. The Golden Hawk, in particular, packed a punch with a 289 cubic inch 4.7-liter V8 engine supercharged by McCulloch, delivering an impressive 275 horsepower, more than many contemporaries and rivaling early Corvettes and Thunderbirds in straight-line performance. The Silverhawk, while slightly less aggressive, still boasted a solid 185 horsepower V8, or an available and giving buyers a flexible range of power. What made these coupes particularly special was their fusion of performance with relatively compact size and graceful styling. While cars from Ford, Chevrolet, and Chrysler were growing larger and more ornate, Studebaker's coupes held on to a leaner, more purposeful silhouette. The long hood, short deck, low-slung stance, and signature tailfins gave the cars a distinctive look that hinted at speed and class without going overboard. Compared to the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air or Ford Fairlane, the Studebaker coupes felt almost European in their proportions and handling. The Golden Hawk's supercharged engine gave it acceleration capabilities that challenged early muscle car territory years before that term even entered the American vocabulary. In terms of historical impact, the 1957 Studebaker Coupes represent a high point in the company's innovative years before its eventual decline. Despite limited resources compared to Detroit's giants, Studebaker managed to deliver vehicles that were ahead of their time in both engineering and aesthetics. These coupes are now seen as symbols of what independent American automakers were capable of when creativity and engineering came first. Enthusiasts today continue to celebrate them not just for their rarity, but for their bold statement in a rapidly changing automotive world. Looking to the future, the 1957 Studebaker Coupes could serve as ideal inspiration for a modern electric or hybrid revival model combining classic fastback styling with a zero-emission drivetrain and lightweight materials. Their compact form, high-performance roots, and unique identity could capture a niche market of collectors and drivers craving retro-modern blends. As interest in electric Ristomods grows, Studebaker 1957 Coupes stand ready to roar, again silently and stylishly.